Friends, welcome to Model Maths NAGARAJU Sir YouTube channel. Today in this class we are going to discuss intermediate first year Maths 1B, the third chapter, straight lines. From this chapter we can get two 2 marks questions, one 4 marks question, one 7 marks question, completely 15 marks syllabus it consists. So in this part 1 we discuss about what is a straight line, what is the general form of straight line, and how to find slope in different ways. Okay, this we are going to discuss. And before that, please subscribe my channel and click bell button and also share with your friends. Okay, coming to the point. Suppose a first degree equation in variables x and y I have taken. So that is, we can say that it is a straight line. Straight line means it is extended to both sides, left side and right side. It is in infinity ways, it moves from here to there and there to here. 2 ways it is extended, that is a straight line. So straight line means what? It is the first degree equation in x and y, So what is the general form? Ax plus by plus c equal to 0. So this is the general form of a straight line. Suppose ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 is a straight line. Not suppose, clearly the general form is straight line is ax plus by plus c equal to 0. So then what is the slope? So before that, what do you mean by slope? Slope means it is an x-axis, it is an y-axis. X-axis, y-axis. The slope means, suppose a line is there, for example a line is taken from here like that, it is a line. So the positive direction means the angle between x-axis and a given axis is called slope. So generally in trigonometric functions we can define the slope here means tan theta. What is the slope? Tan theta. Suppose a line equation is given ax plus by plus c equal to 0, then slope is minus a by b. That means minus x coefficient. What is a? A means x coefficient. What is b? B means y coefficient. So minus x coefficient by y coefficient. In this way also we can express. So here already what is slope and what is the, how can we define means in previous class also we learned in 10th class. I just recalled the what is slope, and here you must important to know what is the slope formula means tan theta. If line is given, then what is slope? Minus a by b. Suppose 2 points are given, ax 1 by 1 and bx 2 by 2 are 2 points of a line segment AB, then slope m equal y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. These three are very most important, we should learn. So m is minus a by b. Is it clear? You just note down. First, straight line. It is the first degree equation in x and y variables, and the general form of straight line is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. This is the general form of a straight line. And slope m can be written as tan theta. Slope denoted by small m. Slope m equal tan theta. Slope of line ax plus by plus c equal 0 is m equal minus a by b, or we can say minus x coefficient by y coefficient. Next, a and ax1 y1, bx2 y2 are 2 points are given, then slope is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Next, note, this is also important things. First one, if two lines are parallel, if and only if, we should read as IFF if, means if and only if. Slopes are equal means, suppose two lines are parallel. Parallel means what? For example, railway track. For examples, two walls in a house, opposite walls. Okay na? So like that we can give many examples. If two lines are parallel, then what about the slopes? Their slopes must be equal. Otherwise, if slopes are equal, then we can say that lines are parallel. That's why we use IFF if. IFF means two lines are parallel, then slopes are equal. slopes are equal, then lines are parallel. So two sentences when we write in single sentence, at that time we use IFF if. If IFF means if and only if. So simply we can say if slope first line slope m1, second line slope m2, then m1 equal m2. Next, second statement. Two lines are perpendicular if product of slopes is -1. That means m1 into m2 is called -1. See, suppose two lines are perpendicular means 90 degrees. Then product of the slopes is called -1. Or we can say if product of the slopes is -1, product of slopes is -1, then two lines are perpendicular. In both ways we can express. Okay. Next, third point. If 3 points A, B, C are collinear if slope of AB is called slope of BC. Collinear means lie on same line. If they are lie on same line, then we can say those are collinear. And to check whether those are collinear or not, we just find the slope of first A and B and the slope of BC, and both equal, then we can say 3 points are collinear. Okay, now these are the 3 important points. Please make down. Then we can enter into the problems. Okay, let us take first question. In very short questions, means 2 marks questions. The first one, find the slope of the line joining the points -3, 8 and 10, 5. So here given that 2 points are given. One is A -3, 8 and the second point B is 10, 5. Okay, what is the slope formula? We have only 3 formulas. One is tan theta. Yes, very good. Second one is -A by B, and the third one is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Okay. So slope formula. First of all, write down slope m equal to, formula is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So here what is x1 y1? The first point is x1 y1 and second point is x2 y2. So now apply y2 minus y1. y2 means 5. Next, minus means minus. y1 means 8. That's it. And by means by. x2 means what? 10. Next, minus means minus. x1 means what? -3. Okay. So which is equal 5 minus 8 becomes -3, and here in the denominator minus into minus plus 10 plus 3 becomes 13. Can we cancel? No. So this is slope of 2 points. Is it very simple or not? Yes, very simple. Very good. Can we take one more problem like this? Yes. Second question. Find the slopes of straight lines passing through the following pairs of points. First one, 3, 4 and 7, -6. Second question, 8, 1 and -1, 7. And third question, -p, q and q, -p. Very simple, in the same process. First one, what is the first one? 3, 4 and 7, -6. So immediately we can take, let point A is 3, 4 and point B is 7, -6. So this is x1 y1, this is x2 y2. Okay, then what is the slope formula? Immediately slope is denoted by m. So slope m equal to, formula is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1, and is equal means is equal, y2 means what? -6. Very good. y2 means -6, minus means minus, y1 means what? 4. Okay, by x2 means what? 7, and minus x1 means what? 3. So now tell me, here -6 -4, total minuses 10 are there. So 6 and 4, negatives, total 10, negatives 10, and 7 minus 3 becomes 4. Can we cancel? Yes, in 2 table, 2 2 ja, 2 5 ja. So -5 by 2 is the slope of the given pairs of points. Is it clear? Yes. First one is completed. Then how to solve second one? Same way you do it for your practice, like homework. You want answer? Yes, answer is 7 minus 1, 6 by -9 means 3 2 ja, 3 3 ja. 2 by -3 you will get, means -2 by 3 you can write. That is the answer of second question. Next, you see third one. So third one is important. Okay, 2-3 times it is asked in the exam. So what is the third question? Minus p comma q and q comma minus p, q comma minus p, where p plus q not equal 0. Actually p plus q not equal 0 we should give. Okay, condition negligible, so no need to think about condition. The points, one is minus p comma q and second one is q comma minus p. So let the given points, one is minus a p comma q and the second point is taken as q comma minus p. Then immediately slope formula. Slope m means what? Yes, very good. y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Okay, very simple. You just follow what I am saying. You just listen and make the note down as usually. That is enough. Okay, no need to go through exercise 1.1, first question, second question, third question. Okay, that's not good for your learning. Here I am teaching a concept wise and in order wise, which first we have to study and then what we have to study, then what we have to study. I arranged in a sequence and easy to better way you can reach. Finally you will be reached all the problems. So is equal y2. Y2 means what? Yes, first x1 y1, second point taken as x2 y2. Y2 means what? Minus p, and minus means minus y1. Y1 means what? Q by x2. X2 means what? Q, and minus means minus x1. X1 means what? Minus p. So which is equal minus p minus q. So in both we can take minus common. So p plus q by q means as it is, minus into minus plus p. Are both same or not? P plus q and q plus p same. So we can get cancel both. So what is the remaining? Minus 1. So what is the answer? Minus 1 is the answer. Okay. Third question. This is a very important question. Find the value of x if the slope of the line passing through 2, 3 and x, 3 is 2. Okay. This is the question. Sorry, this is 2, 5. 2, 5 and x, 3 is 2. Okay. Solution. Let one point I am taking as 2, 5 and the second point consider as x, 3. Okay. Here what is slope? Slope is given as 2. So given that slope m is given as 2. What is slope? Yes, I am writing slope formula, that is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 is equal to means is equal to means 2 as it is I have written. Okay, now step by step. Y2 means what here? So this is taken as x1 y1, this is taken as x2 y2. Y2 means 3, next minus y1 means 5, and by x2 means what? X minus x1 means what? 2, and is equal to means 2. So now 3 minus 5 how much? Yes, very good, minus 2 by x minus 2 is equal to 2. So now do cross multiplication. 2 means nothing, 2 by 1. 2 into x minus 2 minus 2 into 1. So here on moreover 2 we can get cancelled. Now tell me 1 into x minus 2 is equal x minus 2 and is equal 1 into minus 1 means minus 1. So now minus 1 bring left side. So x minus 2 minus plus 1 equal to 0. Sorry, otherwise this minus 2 send right side. Minus 2 only send right side because of we should find x value. So then it becomes plus 2 and minus 1 as it is. So x is equal to 2 minus 1 is 1. So what is the x value? 1. This is the solution of this third question. Fourth question. Find the value of y if the line joining the points 3, y and 2, 7 is parallel to the line joining the points minus 1, 4 and 0, 6. See here given two lines are given. Simply the line joining the points 3y 2 7 is a one line, and the line joining the points minus 1 4 0 6 is a other line. So two lines are mentioned. Okay, for example, first line I am taking A, B. So the points are also given, and the second line taking C and D. Okay, and he mentioned that both are parallel. Parallel means what? Immediately? Yes. What is the condition if two lines are parallel? Yes, very good. Slopes are equal. Okay, na? Just now I have given three conditions. If two lines are parallel, slopes are equal. If two lines are perpendicular, product of the slopes is minus 1. Okay, na? Those two conditions I am using, very important. So, slope of AB is equal to slope of CD we can take. So, given that, first point, let us taking A 3 comma y and B 2 comma 7. Okay, these two one pair of the line, and other line pair C minus 1 comma 4 and D suppose 0 comma 6 I am taking. Okay, so given that slopes are equal, slopes are given that lines are also, therefore we can write therefore slopes are equal. Why I am writing? Since given that lines are parallel, so lines are parallel is given, that's why I am taking slopes are equal. Slopes are equal means m1 equal to m2. Okay, otherwise, okay, for first line segment, what is m1? This is taken as x1 y1, this is taken as x2 y2. What is slope formula? I am writing slope equal y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Okay, sorry, otherwise for your convenience, first I am finding slopes individually. Slope m1 I am finding. Slope of m1 is equal formula y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. And what is y2? 7 minus y1 means y by x2 2 minus x1 3. So which is equal 7 minus y by minus 1. And here slope I am considering as some m2. So m2 is equal what formula? y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So now first to x1 y1, second point x2 y2 consider. y2 minus y1 means y2 means 6 minus 4 by x2 0 minus x1 minus 1. So 6 minus 4 is 2, minus into minus plus 1, 1 plus 0 1 means 2. So one slope m1 is 7 minus y by minus 1. Slope m2 is 2. So what is the condition given that parallel? So given that two lines are parallel. Parallel means what? Immediately m1 equal to m2. Condition is m1 equal to m2. What is m1? 7 minus y by minus 1 equal 2 by 1. So do cross multiplication. 2 into minus 1. 2 into minus 1. Minus 2 is equal 7 minus y into 1. 7 minus y. So minus y bring left side. So y equal 7 keep as it is. Minus 2 send right side becomes plus 2. So y is equal to 9. This is the answer. Is it clear? We first find the AB slope and second point CD slope and use the condition that is given parallel. Parallel means what? m1 equal to m2 and substitute, simplified we get y equal 9. Next, fifth question. Find the slopes of the lines. First one parallel to, second one perpendicular to the line passing through 6 comma 3 and minus 4 comma 5. Here question is, okay na, not of the slope of these 2 points, okay na, but we should find the slope of these points. After finding slope of these points, we can find one more parallel equation slope and we can find one more perpendicular equation slope. Means suppose, listen again, solution. Suppose the point A is given 6 comma 3 and B is taken as minus 4 comma 5. First I am finding the slope. Slope formula. Slope m nothing but y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So which is equal, I am continuously doing. y2, what is y2? First x1 y1 and second point is x2 y2. y2 means 5, y1 means 3. So 5 minus 3 by x2 minus x1. x2 means minus 4 minus x1 means 3. So we get 2 by minus 7. Okay. So we can write minus 2 by 7. So this is slope of given line. But he is asking to find slope of parallel to this line and slope of perpendicular to this line. So first one is parallel to. Second one is perpendicular to. Perpendicular to. So let parallel means what is condition? Slopes are equal. M1 equal to M2. M1 equal to M2. So parallel to slope I am taking. Slope is M2. Here also slope is M2. And the slope of this one I am taken as M1. Slope of the given point taken as M1. So what is M1? Minus 2 by 7 equal M2. So therefore M2 equal minus 2 by 7. So parallel slope what? Parallel line slope is called minus 2 by 7. Very simple and we just find the slope of given 2 points. Parallel means write as easily because of in parallel slopes are equal. And perpendicular means do apply condition M1 into M2 is equal minus 1. M1 means the given line minus 2 by 7 into M2 is equal minus 1. Minus minus gets cancelled and M2 is equal 2 by send right side becomes 7 by 2. So got it answer. Therefore perpendicular line slope becomes 7 by 2 is the answer. Is it clear? See once again, first to find the slope of given 2 points, something minus 2 by 7 is got. He is asking what is parallel to this line slope. So parallel to this line means slopes are equal. So whatever the slope of the given 2 points, that is also equal to this. But whenever comes into perpendicular, the condition M1 into M2 equal minus 1. So like by solving we get 7 by 2 the answer. Okay. Next, sixth question. Show that the following sets of points are collinear. Collinear means what? Slope of AB equals slope of BC. Then we can say collinear. Okay. First, minus 5 comma 1, 5 comma 5, 10 commas. So first question solution. First point I am taking as minus 5 comma 1. Second point taken as 5 comma 5. And third point taken as 10 comma 7. Okay. So we should find the slope of AB and slope of BC. If both are equal, then we can write collinear. So I am finding first slope of AB. Slope of AB. What is slope of AB formula? Y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Next, I will find slope of BC. Slope of BC. Okay. So for this also formula is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. A and B. So A is x1 y1, B is x2 y2. A and B. So apply y2 means 5 minus y1 means 1 by x2 minus x1. 5 minus of minus 5. So 4 by minus minus plus 5 plus 5 10. So 2 2 ja 2 5 ja. I am getting 2 by 5. Next, similarly find slope of BC. Means B becomes x1 y1, C becomes x2 y2. Again. So now apply y2 minus y1 means 7 minus 5. 7 minus 5 by x2 minus x1, 10 minus 5. So becomes 2 by 5. So what is slope of BC? What is slope of AB? Both are equal. Yes. Therefore, slope of AB is equal slope of BC. Therefore, A comma B comma C are collinear. You know, this is a way of writing. 2 marks important questions. These are. Next, second one. Similarly, same process. Let first one I am taking A, small a comma B plus C, and second point B, B comma C plus A, and third point C, C comma A plus B. Here also we should find the slope of AB and the slope of BC. After finding, we have to check whether two are equal or not. Okay, slope of AB. What is formula? y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So which is equal, what is for a and b? If a is x1 y1, b is x2 y2, then y2 minus y1 means c plus a minus of b plus c by x2 minus x1 means b minus a. So which is equal c plus a minus b minus c by b minus a. Minus c minus plus c cancel. Remaining what? A minus b by b minus a. So take common in the denominator or in the numerator. Numerator I am taking minus common, then it becomes b minus a by b minus a. So gets cancelled, is equal minus 1. And similarly, slope of BC, same formula, y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. For B and C, so B is x1 y1, then C becomes x2 y2. So y2 minus y1 means a plus b minus of c plus a by x2 minus x1, c minus b. So which is equal a plus b minus c minus a by c minus b. Minus a plus a cancel, and b minus c by c minus b. So remaining two, if you take out minus common, then b minus c by, sorry, it is plus b minus c. In both, if you take minus common, we get c minus b by c minus b. Cancel, is equal minus 1. So therefore slope of AB is equal slope of BC. Therefore A comma B comma C are collinear. That's it. Okay, very simple. Okay, next to 7th question. In the slope concept, it is very important. Almost all based on slope concept. These 7 questions are there. So last in this concept, find the condition for the points a comma 0, h comma k and 0 comma b where AB not equal 0 to be collinear. Okay, here we should find the condition so that the given 3 points are collinear. So here he given 3 points are collinear. Given that 3 points are collinear, then what we have to find? We should find the condition. Okay, solution. Let A is a comma 0 and B is h comma k and C is 0 comma b. Okay, so given that these 3 points A comma B comma C are collinear, so then immediately we can write slope of AB is equal slope of BC. Okay, what is slope of AB? For A and B we should apply y2 minus y1 means k minus 0 by x2 minus x1 h minus k. That is equal. Is it clear? Slope of AB means A taken as x1 y1, B taken as x2 y2, and y2 minus y1 means k minus 0 by x2 minus x1 h minus k. And slope of BC, so B considered as x1 y1 and C considered as x2 y2. So y2 minus y1 means b minus k by x2 minus x1 0 minus h. Okay, now here we used slope formula. What is slope formula? y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So now k minus 0 means k by h minus a is equal to b minus k by minus h. Okay, next do cross multiplication. So k into minus h minus kh is equal h minus a into b minus k. So what you get? Minus hk minus kh or hk both are same. H into b, bh, h into minus k, minus hk, minus a into b, minus ab, minus a into minus ak plus ak. Is anything common same in the minus hk gets cancelled. Then see here minus ab is there and plus bh plus ak is there. Okay, you just do what we can do. BH send left side becomes minus BH plus AK send left side minus AK is equal to minus A. In all terms you can take minus common. So we can write BH plus AK is equal to AB. And moreover we can simplify by dividing AB on both sides. Dividing dividing with AB on both sides. So then BH by AB plus AK by AB is equal AB by AB. So AA cancel, BB cancel. Here AB 1 ja, AB 1 ja. So H by A plus K by B is equal 1. So we can say that this is as condition in simple way. Okay. So given ABC are collinear, so immediately collinear means slope of AB equals slope of BC. What is slope of AB? K minus 0 by H minus K. What is slope of BC? B minus K by H0 minus H. Substitute and simplify, we get the condition H by A plus K by B is equal 1. Okay. So friends, in part 1, straight lines maths 1B, these are the few very short questions. In the next part 2, we will discuss what are the types of the straight lines and what are the questions based on the types of straight lines, and another base we have most probably 2 more parts of very short questions. So please watching my videos and please subscribe and click bell button, and thank you for watching my videos. Thank you very much.